So, how do you edit your profile on Reddit? So, to start off, let's open up Reddit. Now, here you just need to hover to the top right and click on the small icon. Now, here you just need to click on My Profile. Now, as you can see, we have a edit button on the top right. You just need to click on it. Now, here, as you can see, can now edit our profile where we could add some display name that you'd like. So let's say something like that. You can add about yourself, but this is all optional. So you have it all for you. So if you want your content to be visible, you can either turn it on or turn it off. So there's a lot of options here on edit your profile. You can also add image or edit your Reddit avatar. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.